So you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel. Coming up, I'll walk you through 8 tips to help you get started and get your YouTube channel growing. What's up everyone, I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We're here to help you grow your business online. If you want to see more videos like this one, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. So imagine if you're watching this video right now, your goal is to either grow a personal YouTube channel or one for your business. And it's not just having a place to upload videos, but actually growing the channel, growing the views, growing the subscribers, and ideally making some money for all the hard work you're putting into it. And so I want to walk you through 8 tips to help you get started and grow that channel quickly. Tip number 1, create a niche where you can help people. The thing is, most views on YouTube come from search results and suggested videos. So if you can come up with content that people are searching for day in and day out because they want to solve a problem of theirs, they want to live a better life, your videos are going to continue to show today, tomorrow, and every day into the future for years to come. And so what I'd recommend is choose one niche. Don't try to go all over the place and talk about a bunch of different topics. People will subscribe to a channel because they know what to expect from the channel. And so if you pick an area and create content around that, you'll grow subscribers quickly. And also by helping people, you're going to be showing up in search results and suggested videos every single day. I wouldn't recommend starting a daily vlog because if you don't have an audience right now, people don't really care about what you're doing every day. They don't want to know what you had for breakfast, what time you woke up in the morning, you going to the gym, and anything like that. But they do want is to live a better life. And so if you're the person that can help them with that, they're going to tune in, watch your channel, and your channel will grow quickly. Tip number 2, understand and focus on the basics of YouTube. And so if you want to understand this in more detail, I'd encourage you to download our free guide to getting started on YouTube that I'll link down below in the description. But you need to know that YouTube exists as a platform to keep you there as long as possible and to show you as many ads as possible. And so YouTube does a phenomenal job of understanding you, the user, and when you put something into search results, what video are you most likely to click on, and once you're watching a video, what videos to suggest to you. And so what you need to do as a creator is think about it in that way. You need to give YouTube the information it needs to know what's in your video. And so before even that, you want to choose videos and topics that are popular on YouTube that people are looking for. And so I'd encourage you to use a free tool such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ to do research on that. But once you choose a topic and create the video, you want to make sure you're using the key phrases that people search for in the video. They are included in the title of the video. They're included in the tags of the video. You have up to 500 characters to fill out the tag, so I'd encourage you to use as much of that as possible. And then write a long description that explains what the video is about. All that together helps YouTube place your video where people are looking for your content. When someone clicks on your video, the important thing here is watch time. How long does someone spend watching your video? If your video is only 30 seconds, your maximum watch time for that video is only 30 seconds. If you create a 30-minute video and people watch half of it, that's 15 minutes of watch time. And so that's why longer videos do better on YouTube. And so I would encourage you to create videos that are at least 5 minutes or longer, but don't go on too long, just long enough to explain whatever the topic is you're talking about in that video. So after watch time, the next thing is interactions. Do people like, dislike, share, subscribe after watching your video, or leave a comment? So you want to encourage people to do all of those things in your video to say, hey, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like if you agree with me on this, or ask someone a question, or ask someone to leave a question in the comment section. All of those things boost your interactions on your videos, which gives YouTube a signal to show your video to more people. Tip number 3, put some effort into setting up your channel. So having a good profile picture, cover image, connect all of your social media and your website, fill out the description for the channel, the tags for the channel, all these things so someone goes to the channel and it looks well done, professional, something they want to subscribe to and see future videos. Tip number 4, start collecting emails from day 1. And so what I mean by this is, before you even create a video, you want to have a call to action in the video saying, hey, go to my website and download X guide. So think about an ebook, a checklist, something you can give away for free of value to collect emails. And why this is so important is, if someone watches your video, there's no call to action, they don't even subscribe to your channel, you can't contact them unless you pay for ads to reach them another time. And so if you say, hey, go download this guide, someone gives their email address, you can contact them again in the future. Another thing that's really important for YouTube is if you can drive traffic from somewhere else to YouTube, YouTube will reward you on YouTube by showing your video to more people. And so as far as collecting email addresses. You might be just starting your YouTube channel. You don't have a website yet. We have a free course on how to design your website in Squarespace that I'll link down below in the description. Also, for collecting emails, we use ConvertKit for our email marketing software. I'll link down below to them as well. And if you don't have a website, the great thing with them is they'll help you create a landing page that's at no extra cost in the email marketing software, so you can create that page, start collecting emails as you give away, say, an ebook, grow your email list while you're growing your YouTube channel. Tip number 5, no more excuses and just create and publish your first video. The thing is, your first video or videos aren't gonna be great. You're not gonna be comfortable on camera. You're not gonna have super equipment and know how to edit videos, but everyone goes through this. So go to your favorite YouTuber, go to the videos tab, and then sort by their oldest video. You can see that YouTuber or whoever you watch on YouTube has come a long way from their first video. You're gonna go through the same thing. You'll get more comfortable on video, you'll get better at editing, you'll buy better equipment, but just start. So the first 12 videos on this channel were done with my iPhone 6s and an external microphone. The point is, you just gotta start. Get your videos up there, see how it turns out, learn from it, get better, continually improve. Invest in camera equipment. Once you have a channel, you have an audience. It's not something you need to focus on to get your first video up. Tip number 6, share your videos with everyone you know, and even people you don't know. And so it's important to text it to friends, share it on social media, email the people you know, share it on Reddit. Whatever ideas you can think of to share your video and grow your channel will help you in the future. So these will be your first subscribers, your first likes, your first comments. And if you can push the channel in the beginning, YouTube will begin to show your videos to other people. Tip number 7, engage as much as you can on YouTube. And so what I mean by this is, when your channel's small especially, respond to every single comment on every one of your videos. Even respond to your haters. And so you can think of something witty and creative to respond to even the worst comment that you get on YouTube. And yes, you will get bad comments on YouTube. I'm sorry, it happens to everybody. So the point is here is, if you respond to a comment, that person gets a notification, one, and they'll probably come back to the video and read your notification and maybe even write you back. The same thing happens if you heart someone's comment, they receive a notification, they may come back to the video, they may go back to your channel. So the other thing is, you're starting to build one-on-one relationships with people. Someone who will come back and watch every one of your future videos, comment on them. And so you're building these relationships, interact with people, make friends, be helpful. You can even go to other channels and write helpful comments on those channels. Say, hey, really love this video. Point number 3, you were spot on with that one. Hey, have you thought about this? Start a conversation with other YouTubers. Also, people will see those comments on other videos and may go check out your channel. So you're in the trenches here, you're just getting started. Talk to as many people in the comment section, respond to people, and you'll grow your channel. Tip number 8, if you can afford it, run ads on your videos. And so this is important for a couple of factors. One is, no one wants to click and watch a video that has 26 views. So you share the video with your friends and family, it got 26 views, and then no one clicks on it again after that. And so if that video is in a search result next to videos that have hundreds, thousands, and millions of views, you're probably gonna click on the video with more views thinking it's better. And so your video could just kind of disappear and never be shown again if it ends up with so few views. The next factor is, if you invest in ads, especially in the first couple of days, because for YouTube, the first 24 hours or 48 hours of a video decides how good the video is and if they're going to continue showing it in the future. And so if you invest in the beginning, get some views on the video, YouTube has a better idea who to show this video to in the future, so that the video is going to show up in search results and suggested videos. So what we've seen happen is, we invest, say, $10 or $20 in a video today, right when the video came out. Within the next couple weeks or month, we've made that money back on views on the video, now that we're part of the YouTube partner program, so we can run ads on our videos. And the video is shown days, months, years afterwards, a couple times an hour. And so we're making money on that video, which is much higher than what we invest in the first couple of days. So I'd encourage you to give a little push to your videos in the first couple of days, and then you'll be rewarded for that in the future. So if you're just getting started, you might be on a bit of a budget right now. And so I want to let you know there are a few ways to get free credits with Google Ads. And so one example of that is, if you took our advice, created your website with Squarespace, you actually get $100 in credit if you spend $25. So by spending $25, you get $125 in credits with Google Ads, which is a great way to get started with your YouTube channel. I know there's a handful of other options for getting free ad credits on Google Ads. So Wix, some of the hosting providers, there's quite a few options out there. If you Google it, I'm sure you'll find some way to get some free money to get started with Google Ads. Also, if you want more information of how all this works, it's a little bit complicated, write YouTube ads down in the comments section and we'll gladly do a video on the topic. Those are our 8 tips to help you get started the right way on YouTube. Also, I want to remind you again, if you want more information, help walking through how to get started setting up your channel, check out the description below and download our guide to getting started on YouTube. Also, I want to know more about what you're working on. If you have an idea for a YouTube channel or if you've already started it, leave that down below in the comment section. I'd love to check out what you're working on. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps our channel grow. If you want to see more content like this one, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel, which I'm linking to above. And if you want to watch other related videos right now, I'll link to 2 along the side here. Until next time, bye-bye.